Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.8, Problem 14. This is Section 4.8, Problem 14. It says Jerry is 70 years old. He goes to a car museum. The admission is $18, but there is a 30% discount for senior citizens. How much will he pay with the discount? So, what I'd like to do is write the important parts of the question in the form A is P percent of B. And if I can do that, then I'll use the formula A over B equals P over 100. So what I want to do is write this as A is 30% of, what did I say it was, $18. So let's find how much they'll take off the price of the ticket if you get 30% off for being a senior citizen. So A is 30% of 18, fills in that format, and let's plug it into the formula. A is unknown, so it can just stay as an A. The is becomes an equals, 30 is the P, the percent becomes the 100 in the denominator, and the B is 18. So I have filled in the formula. I have one unknown. I can solve for it by cross-multiplying. A times 100 is 100A. And going the other way, I'll have 30 times 18. So 30 times 18 is somewhat of a big multiplication, but to do it easily, just pretend for a second you can't see the 0. 3 times 18. That I can do. I know 3 times 18 is 54. Put the 0 back that you ignored. 54 with a 0 after it is 540, and that is equal to 100. Oops, I put X, A. It's an unknown. X could work too, but let's be consistent. Now, to find the final answer, divide away the 100. And again, easy enough division. The 2 zeros and the 100 basically pull the decimal back 2 spots to the left. The decimal is not written, but you can assume that it's in there at the end after the 0. So if you come back 2 spots, 1, 2, it's between the 5 and the 4. So the answer is A equals 5.4. Now that's really not the answer to the whole question. That 5.4 is really $5.40 off the full price for being a senior citizen. That's what we figured out. So if the full price is 18 and you get a $5.40 discount if you're a senior citizen, if you subtract 18 minus $5.40, then you'll get what it costs a senior citizen to enter this museum. Now notice I make the decimals line up. I can't do this, 18 minus 540. Right, that just does not work. You have to make the decimals line up. $18.00 minus $5.40. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 4 is not going to work. I have to borrow. So cross off the 8, make it a 7. That 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Decimal comes straight down vertically. 7 minus 5 is 2. 1 minus nothing under it just stays 1. So the price of admission for a senior citizen is $12.60. That's the answer.